Today we're gonna do a little review on the Ryobi 4-volt screwdriver. Now it straightens up, so let's get it out of this box. It comes with this little set of beads. Ready, set, start. So here you have the instructions, the labels, and it comes with a bag, excellent. And inside is all the instructions and some paperwork. And then inside you get your little beads and a charger and your screwdriver. So let's see if it works. Nice, so it's got 2 speeds. And we'll see how it holds up. And it also turns like this. So we'll see how it does. So thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.